Hello, my dear students. Let us now solve a few questions from this topic, that is blood relations. Having listened to the introductory theory pertaining to this topic, now I am very confident that you all are ready to attempt a few questions. So, how to proceed learning this topic further? I will be presenting in front of you a few questions. You may pause the video when you feel it is required. Take your time to read and understand the question. Analyze the answer choices carefully and then try to crack that given question in your own method, your own style. And then you please listen to the explanation that I am providing here for each question and thus verify whether you have done the question, whether you have answered the question correctly. Okay, so that will be the way in which you have to proceed. So let us consider the first question. All right, let me present the first question in front of you. Please take a look at the first question. Okay, I'm sure you have arrived at the answer for this question. It's given P's father's mother-in-law's only daughter's son is Q. How is P related to Q? This is the question. So let us draw the family tree. Okay, so we have a P here. P's father. Okay, so P's father's mother-in-law. So P's father married to P's mother. Okay, that P's mother's mother. You can see that P's mother's mother is P's father's mother-in-law. That P's father's mother-in-law's only daughter. You can see that it has to be P's mother because the word only is used here. So this lady's only daughter has to be P's mother. That only daughter's son is Q. So this only daughter's son is Q means you can conclude that P and Q, they are siblings. And here Q is male. But the question reads, how is P related to Q? The question is not how is Q related to P. The question is how is P related to Q. So this P, if it is a male, then P is the brother of Q. Now, if this P is female, then this P is the sister of Q. So it may be brother or it may be sister. It totally depends on the gender of this person P. Now, nowhere in the question we have an idea what is the gender of this person P. Okay. So since we don't know the gender of this person P, the correct answer for this question, it will be cannot be determined. Okay. Had the question been how is Q related to P, then I can say Q is the brother of P because Q is given to be male in the question. All right. So never assume the gender of a person in a question based on blood relations. Make sure that you are considering the gender only when it is mentioned in the question clearly. So for the first question, cannot be determined, that is the final answer. All right.